Yes guys, I'm Dan, I'm from killerwipers.com. Today we're going to do the R34 Skyline wiper delete kit. Mate!
Smash!
Okay, so we're going to remove the wiper arm. You're going to need a 10mm socket and you're going to need to remove the nut from the wiper arm. Once you've removed the wiper arm, you then need to remove the rubber bung, and underneath that it reveals a 24mm nut. Remove that as well. Once you remove the 24mm nut, there is a metal disc underneath. You need to remove this also. Okay, now we're going to go underneath where there is a plastic trim. We're going to remove this plastic trim, which is held on by 3 push clips. We're going to remove this down, and then we're going to reveal the wiper motor. Once you remove the plastic trim, we're then going to remove the wiper motor, which is held in by 3 10mm nuts. Once you've removed the wiper motor, we're going to have to remove the power supply to the motor. You can just push the clip and pull that out. Once you've removed the wiper motor, we're going to have to remove the washer jet. You can do this from the outside of the car. You can just twist it anti-clockwise. Pull that out. Once you've removed that, the nut might stick to the back of the metal. Just pop that out and make sure you remove it. You don't want that rattling around in the vehicle. Okay, this next section, we're going to ensure that we need to clean the glass because we're going to bond the kit from the inside. So we want to prepare the glass. We're using the cleansing. You can buy that on killerwipers.com. You can also buy Death Seal as well, which is our glass sealer. But right now we're going to use the cleansing, we're going to clean the glass, and we're going to test fit the kit from the inside just to make sure you know how it fits. The back hatch of this is quite tricky. There's a few pieces of metal in between, and we just want to make sure we can fit it in perfectly. Once you've test fitted the kit, we're now going to fit the kit. The first part of the kit you need to fit first is the washer jet delete. This is because it's super hard to get access to the washer jet if you already put the wiper blank in first. So we're going to reach around, put it on a piece of tape. You're going to reach around through the wiper hole and push the washer jet delete in through the hole from the back side. You also need to ensure the tape sticks to the back of the window whilst it sets because we don't want it to fall out. Now we're going to apply the wiper motor blank onto a piece of tape. We're going to apply our sealant and we can fit this kit straight through the center. You just want to push that through, make sure the tape sticks to the back of the glass and make sure that the kit is 100% flush. This next section is really important. You want to make sure that you leave the kit to set for at least 1 hour. You can then proceed to remove your tape that's holding it in while it sets, and then we're going to clean the glass down, wipe it off and fit our trim back in. Okay, that's it guys. The kit is finished, it's fit, it looks absolutely amazing. It's so much better than that 90s wiper arm, super smooth look. We basically capped off the washer jet pipe. We've put a bolt in there, we've cable tied it, and we've also put a plastic bag around it. But you can also, if you want to be really OCD, you can go to the front of the car and you can blank it off at the washer bottle. Nice one guys, cheers for watching the video. If you want to subscribe to the channel, just click the subscribe button below. The link for this kit is in the description. Also want to shout out Poppy for letting us use her car tonight. Her Instagram is @R34Poppy, and I want to shout out to Travis Autos for letting us use unit tonight. Our Instagram is @kill_all wipers, and I'll see you next time. Cheers guys.